In this tutorial, we'll be covering list views, custom and standard views that control which fields and records are displayed on standard and custom objects. In order to view a list view, first access an object. In this case, we're looking at contacts. In order to edit a list view, you may click Edit. In this case, we're going to go over creating a new list view from scratch. In order to do so, click Create New View. After you've clicked the Create New View button, you're able to give your list view a name. After you've given your list view a name, a unique name will automatically populate with your list view's API name. After you've named your list view, you'll have the option to filter records based on criteria. List views can contain all records or just your records, depending on what your preference is. Additionally, records can be filtered out based on a variety of different fields. Any field can be set to a variety of different values. For instance, by placing the filter event equals yes, we will be only including records that have the event checkbox checked to yes in this list view. Additionally, fields can be customized on your list view display. In this case, name, account name, title, and some other fields are standard display fields. In this case, we can remove and add fields for our overall display in order to customize our list view. Let's go ahead and just add a few list view options here to customize our view. Finally, you'll have the option to restrict visibility of your list view. You can make this list view private to only yourself or open it up to the entire organization. Additionally, you can open up a list view to certain groups or teams of individuals. In this case, let's just set it for ourselves. After you've finished your list view, you'll now be able to view your display. As you can see, the custom fields we have added here have been added to our list view display. In addition, we're only viewing records with an event equal to yes, which has limited our overall display. If you want to then modify your list view further, you can click Edit. If you want to get rid of your list view altogether, you can click Delete. Either way, list views are interactive and customizable tools that can quickly and easily manage your data.